Kernel Excel Merge tool emerges as a game-changing solution designed to streamline the process of merging Excel files while ensuring 100% data accuracy, structural integrity, and time savings. Unlike manual copy-pasting, the tool automates the entire process with precision, ensuring that cell formatting and formulas remain intact. Whether you're a financial analyst compiling global sales reports, a healthcare administrator merging patient records, or an academic researcher aggregating survey data, this tool provides a fast, secure, and foolproof method to unify spreadsheets without compromising quality. Here is the detailed tutorial on merging multiple Excel sheets into a single worksheet with no hassle. Open the tool by typing Kernel Excel Merge, and launch it. Click on the Merge button under the Merge Excel Files option. Click on the Add File button to upload Excel files. Select all the required Excel files and click Open. You can manually tick the checkbox to select an Excel file, or you can select the checkbox adjacent to the selected path option to select all files at once, then click on the Next button. Here, you'll get two merge options, single worksheet and individual worksheets. We'll perform the method with the single worksheet option. Click on the Browse button to specify the saving location. You can either select an already created folder or you can make a new folder by specifying it as a name. Once done, click OK. Click on the Merge option to begin the Excel merge process. The software will start merging Excel files into a single worksheet. Once the process is done, you'll receive a success message. Click on the OK option. Click on Open Folder Location to directly navigate to the saving location of the merged files. Double-click on the Excel sheet to preview merged Excel files and data saved in a single sheet. Click on the Save Reports option to save merge process log reports in a CSV. You can select the destination as per needs and click Save. In this way, you can merge multiple Excel files into a single worksheet using our software. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.